In Beginner's English, lesson number 5, you will learn continuous tenses of different verbs. You have sentences with present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Please look at the sentences carefully. Beginners can learn by repeating the sentences again and again. For all other learners of higher levels, the sentences tell you exactly how verbs are used in a sentence and what they mean when you use it in the continuous tenses. I am coming, present continuous. I am coming. I was coming, past continuous. I was coming. I will be coming, future continuous. I will be coming. I am changes to we are. We are working. We are working, present continuous. We were working, past continuous. We were working. Notice I was and we were. Future continuous. We will be working. We will be working. You are speaking, present continuous. You are speaking. Singular you and plural you, both are the same. Past continuous. You were speaking. You were speaking. You will be speaking. You will be speaking. Future continuous. He is learning. He is learning. He was learning. He was learning. He will be learning. He will be learning. She is waiting. She is waiting. She was waiting. She was waiting. She will be waiting. She will be waiting. They are singing. They are singing. They were singing. They were singing. They will be singing. They will be singing. Till now we used pronouns as the subject of the sentence. I, we, you, he, she, and they. Now we shall use nouns as the subject. Please see carefully and remember and repeat. The child is playing. The child is playing. The child was playing. The child was playing. The child will be playing. The child will be playing. Please note we are using the plural of child. Many we call children. The children are playing. The child is playing becomes children are playing. The children are playing. The children were playing. The children were playing. The children will be playing. The children will be playing. The old man is sleeping. Now see the adjective old, addition to the noun. The old man is sleeping. The old man was sleeping. The old man was sleeping. The old man will be sleeping. The old man will be sleeping. Notice here the plural men. Singular man, plural men. The old men are sleeping. The old men are sleeping. The old men were sleeping. The old men were sleeping. The old men will be sleeping. The old men will be sleeping. The boy is running. The boy is running. The boy was running. The boy was running. The boy will be running. The boy will be running. Now we have the plural of boy, that is boys, and the verb also changes according. Boy is, boys are. The boys are running. The boys are running. The boys were running. The boys were running. The boys will be running. The boys will be running. The student is studying. The student is studying. The student was studying. The student was studying. The student will be studying. The student will be studying. The students are studying. The students are studying. The students were studying. The students were studying. The students will be studying. The students will be studying. With this sentence, we come to an end of the patterns in today's lesson. You have seen that we have used the definite article THE throughout. In front of consonant sounds, I pronounced it as the. In front of vowel sounds like old, I pronounced it as the. Not the, but the. Spelling same, pronunciation different. We have also seen singular and plural, student, students, boy, boys, child, children, man, men. We also learnt pronouns. we have learnt continuous tenses. Continuous means the action continues for some time. In the past, if it continues, it's past continuous. If it continues in the present, it is present continuous. If it is likely to continue in the future, then it is future continuous. Will be studying, future continuous. Was or were studying, past continuous. Is or am or are studying, present continuous. Learn grammar by repeating these sentences. You need not learn it separately. Just by repeating these sentences, you will learn the rules of grammar. Thank you and all the best.